Now again, on somebody that you can't overhook, no underhook. A lot of times this works on guys that are like real just upright and back, like they're not giving you any pressure forward, right? You're gonna get a grip on the front of the belt. This is like, you'll see this is one of the strongest grips. You can like really launch people with this grip. So I get a grip on the front of the belt and a grip on the sleeve. So I'm gonna pull him in. So I'm just gonna like throw myself back. As I do this, I wanna pull up and out with my elbow. So pull up and out, and then over. So, especially, like I said, this is a really good one when you get a guy, every time you try to come in, he's like pushing himself away. He gives this to you here, right? And use this. Don't try to hit it from this distance. Try to like, I'm pulling him forward and I'm pulling myself forward. Right? And you'll see if you just throw the person, just throw yourself back, how hard he'll come forward. And you can do this too. You can just lift him up and take him over from here. But in general, I want you guys hitting that angle because the same angle as the overhook, the underhook, or the collar. You're going to your shoulder, right? So we start here, shoot a hand in and get a grip on the belt. You want this grip first, not the sleeve. Because this, very hard for the guy to get away from. He'll usually put both hands there, and then I get the second grip, right? And then I use that to scoot in. I pull. I always take my foot to the outside of the knee here. Use his arm like a, sort of like an upright row. And then come up. I'm not going to spend too much time on this probably, but you can also use this grip if you get a guy where you can't get this other sleeve. You can use this, and I'm just going to pull him. I want to get him to post his hands above me on the mat. Pull like this. You can use it to get into different variations of like shoulder crunches and stuff. All right, so that grip on the front belt, you'll feel how much power you have with it. And it's very hard for the guy to get away from. If you can commit 2 hands to that, then you can really just like launch him in. All right, 1, 2, 3.